Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add image or pictures on your Google Slides from your phone. So just go to Google Slides and choose your presentation and then click any of the slides like so, and then click edit and then choose the slide where you will put the pictures on, and then click this plus icon, click image, and then you may choose from photos. Then just select any photos you would like to use in your slides. Then just resize it in a way you like it and put it in your slides like what I'm doing. And then you can also add image by tapping the plus button again, image, and then from camera. I will allow this while using the app, and then take a picture of anything you want to put in your slides, and then there you have it. You can now adjust the photo, resize it, and position it properly on your slides. And then there you have it. You have now added an image to your Google Slides using your phone. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.